Namaste. Welcome to Sujata's Health, Wellness and Meditation channel. Today we are going to be demonstrating the breathing exercises for people who are suffering from symptoms like wheezing, chest tightness, shortness of breath, and large amounts of mucus that collect in their lungs. By regularly practicing these exercises, you can improve the capacity to breathe well and exercise well so that your energy levels improve tremendously. Let's get into the video. Sit comfortably with the proper back support and neck support. Imagine you are holding a weight and inhale when you are going up through your nose and exhale with the pursed lips. Inhale and lift your hands up. Inhale. Exhale with the pursed lip. Inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale with the pursed lip. The next one is coughing, breathing out. Inhale through your nose and exhale, coughing out 3 times. Inhale through your nose, exhale. Inhale through your nose, exhale. Next one, inhale through your nose, purse your lips and exhale. Inhale, purse your lips and exhale. Inhale through your nose, purse your lips and exhale. Inhale through your nose, purse your lips and exhale. Next one is deep breathing. Inhale as long as you can with the worsen sound. Exhale as long as you can through your nose. Inhale as long as you can. Exhale as long as deep as you can. Inhale as long as you can. Exhale as long as you can. The next is belly breathing. Place one hand on the chest, another hand on the belly. Inhale through your nose as long as you can. Hold in fullness. And exhale, pursing your lips slowly and steadily. Inhale, fill your belly. Exhale, pursing your lips slowly and steadily. You'll be able to feel the belly full of air and belly no air. Inhale, exhale, pursing your lips. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again.